Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you some of the items, basically ferro rod handles that I made on my new lathe. One right here, this is live oak. It has a bunch of little holes in it, I'm going to guess from bugs. Um, I've been trying to figure out a way to get them filled because I don't like them. So I don't know if I'm going to maybe use epoxy or some kind of filler. I tried some crazy glue here, but this one's going to be for at least a 3/8 or ½ inch ferro rod. So I have this one in the works. This one was made out of rosewood. I really liked the way it came out. I was kind of really messing around with different shapes. This one would be for the ferro rod. This one was supposed to be for the striker, and it cracked. You probably see that. I have to figure out a better way of putting it back in to finish the end here. But it came out pretty good. I had a pretty good match, which that's one thing I'm struggling with, getting them to look exactly the same. But I guess, they're handmade, so they don't have to be. But this one was coming out really good. And then it cracked on me. One tiny little slip and boom, cracked. So we got that. Then in all of these wax canvas bags, and these I just buy at Hobby Lobby. A bag like this costs $1.50, and they're about yo long. I wax them, I cut them, I resew them, and I make them to fit these ferro rods. Whew. And the zippers are a little stiff because they're wax, but this set is black limba. Check that out. And of course, it's a Nathan 4071 ferro rod, and these happen to be 5/16-inch ferro rods. But look at that wood, huh? I dig it. So we got that one, and I'm in a quandary now. Do I want to actually use these, or are they just gonna sit somewhere? All right. So this set is mahogany. I believe it's African mahogany. High-speed steel striker, Nathan 4071 5/16 ferro rod. This came out really nice. And thanks, Nathan, for obviously for the ferro rods and all the tips you gave me. This set, I really dig this set. This is black walnut. And I decided to make it look like sort of like a bottle, right? They match pretty good. I love the grain and the color in this set. And then we got this set here is Purple Heart. Look at that wood, huh? I love it. So this one I decided to make the striker just a little bit smaller than the actual ferro rod. Came out pretty good. And then last but not least, we have a hair on my case. This one is cherry. Yes, Jim Thomas, I made a cherry one. That came out really nice. They match pretty good. Again, this is a 5mm high-speed steel striker and the 5/16 Nathan 4071 ferro rod. So there you have it. I made 5 sets of strikers and a couple that never got done. But I'm having fun with the lathe. Maybe one of these days I'll actually show you me turning them. I'm getting pretty good groove down. Like I said, I really wish this didn't have all these holes in it. But I'm finding that I think I got lucky when I made the vase that it didn't have any of these defects. But again, right, it's all natural stuff, so you're going to have defects. But I like this shape. I seem to be tending to go with this kind of shape. I don't know why. I kind of like that. But yeah, I got some more wood. I'm going to check it out. But it's kind of disappointing when you start turning it. You know, you got a bag full of chips and shavings. Then you get to a point where it's like, oh no, it's got a hole in it. But like I said, I'm going to figure out a way to fix that. This one, unfixable, but I just have to get another piece of rosewood and I can make a match for that. So it's all good. So there you have it, folks. There's my turnings. Leave me a comment below. Let me know which one you like the best, which shape you like the best, and I'd be interested to hear. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.